editing a video with a never-ending timeline, playing a RPG game, working with Autodesk softwares with a 15.6-inch notebook irritates most of the people. So with this case aside, I have been searching for a second display to make my eyes a little bit pleased. But the thing is, what monitor should I buy? What specifications should it have? After doing a lot of researching, I decided to go with a 22-inch Samsung monitor, and the model number is S22F350. If you are new to this channel, or if this is the first video that you came across in my channel, then this is JK and you are going to watch the unboxing and full review of the Samsung 22-inch monitor, and you are also going to see the reason why I picked this monitor. First of all, let me unbox this and show the contents present inside the box. When we unbox this monitor, we get a base and some warranty papers, a manual, and a 22-inch monitor head with neck assembly, and also a DC VSSA power adapter. This neck should be screwed on to the base firmly, and the setup is over. Now, the first thing what you should see in selecting a monitor is the resolution. If you should do editing and videography accompanied with playing games, then you should go for a Full HD monitor. Remember one thing, if you are going about 20 inch, then please do select a Full HD one. Otherwise, it will be awkward, really awkward. The reason why I have selected this monitor is it's a Full HD monitor and it comes for around a price point of 8,000 rupees, and in addition to it, this one is having a 3-year warranty. This monitor comes with a connector and it's a DC VSSA type box connector. During the time of power failure or voltage fluctuations, this adapter won't let your monitor get damaged, and the response time is also 5 milliseconds, and for a price point of rupees 350 you can get a 5-meter HDMI to HDMI cable and connect the two, click on show only display on 2, you are good to go. Now you can edit your videos without restricting your timeline. You don't need to scroll and zoom in each and every single time while using your Autodesk software, and also you can watch movies effortlessly. Another most significant pro with having a monitor connected to your laptop is your laptop can go only for certain nits in brightness, that is the maximum brightness really sucks. But with this monitor, your brightness can be increased with at least 10x times, and this monitor is having a 200 CD per meter square of maximum brightness and a 150 CD per meter square of minimum brightness, and a 178 degree viewing angle, 16.7 million color support, a 98% peak luminescence ratio. Also, this monitor works with the eye saver mode and a flicker free technology to make your eyes and experience flawless. Maximum power consumption is 25 watts, and with the stand it weighs only 3 kg. The only reason to hate this monitor is it's having a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Now we can also able to see a 140 Hz monitors in market, but this is not at all a problem for a mid-range gamer or an editor. So no worries if you do have 8,000 rupees budget. Sorry, as of now this monitor is available for only 7,500 rupees in Flipkart. Then you can go blindfolded to select this monitor without any hesitation. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon. It will help the channel grow more. And if you do have any suggestions, and you can drop them in the comment box below. And that's it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye from JK, signing off.